Today I'm going to be making lemonade using a Yeti Rambler. The first thing that you're going to need is a Yeti Rambler. I have a Yeti Rambler cup right here. It's a mug filled with crushed ice to the brim. Just gonna set that to the side. And I also have a bowl full of lemons. This is about 3 lemons that I'm going to be using. I have organic, raw, unfiltered honey, 100% pure, and about 3/4 cup of lukewarm water. And you're gonna need a spoon, but if you don't have a spoon, you could use a spork. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the honey right here and put 4 sporkfuls of honey inside of the lukewarm water. Just gonna go ahead and pour this slowly. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see this a little bit better. Alright, so I'm gonna pour the honey inside of the spork slowly. Just 1 spoonful. 2 spoonfuls. 3 spoonfuls. 4 spoonfuls of honey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and stir it a little bit. Let it dissolve a little bit. Now if you like it on the sweeter side, you can add 1 more spoonful of honey. Five spoonfuls. Honey, just let it drip. And then stir it. Next, take the lemon and squeeze the lemon all inside of the honey water is what I'm going to call it right now. Sweet honey water. And just go through all the lemons, making sure you get all of the juice into the honey water. Halfway through, just going to keep on taking the lemon, squeezing it. Zoom out a little bit so you can see a little bit what's going on. Just keep on taking the lemon and squeezing. Now, if you like a strong lemony taste, you can actually have 4 lemons or maybe 3.5, but I'm sticking to 3 lemons. Okay, almost done. You can smell the fragrance from the lemon, quite strong. And then 2 more wedges. And 1 last wedge of the lemon. Alright, once I have all that in there, I'm gonna take the mixture and stir it. Then I'm gonna take my Yeti cup, zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna pour it inside of the Yeti cup on top of that crushed ice. And that's how you make honey lemonade inside of the Yeti cup. Let me know if you have any questions.